Curious how AI is transforming legal practice and decision-making? Welcome to AI Plus Legal Certification by AI CERTs helps professionals use AI in legal workflows. Learn AI's role in research, contract analysis, compliance, and decision support for better outcomes. AI transforms legal practice. Without AI insights, legal teams lose efficiency. AI plus legal certification enhances research and compliance, aligning AI tools with legal goals for smarter workflows and outcomes. AI plus legal certification course equips professionals with practical AI skills to modernize legal practice. Learners gain hands-on expertise in AI-powered legal research, understand the impact of AI on legal precedents, use AI-assisted document review, apply case prediction using AI, and address data privacy, compliance, and ethical considerations in AI and law. This certification enables faster insights, improved accuracy, responsible AI adoption, and smarter, data-driven legal decision-making across modern legal workflows. AI plus legal certification course is designed for legal specialists, ethics and compliance officers, data privacy officers, and tech enthusiasts who want to apply artificial intelligence in modern legal environments. The program builds practical AI knowledge to support legal research, compliance, risk management, and ethical AI adoption, helping professionals improve accuracy, efficiency, and decision-making across AI-enabled legal workflows. The AI plus Legal Certification course by AI CERTs validates AI skills for legal practice, showcasing expertise in AI-powered research, contract analysis, compliance, data privacy, and ethical AI use. This certification enhances workflows, accuracy, decision-making, and AI application in today's legal environments. Backed by global standards, AI CERT certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join the AI plus Legal Certification course by AI CERTs. Learn how AI enhances legal research, case analysis, and more. Gain skills to integrate tech with legal expertise for smarter outcomes. Find more details in the course flyer below. Explore the AI plus Legal Certification by AI CERTs. Gain AI skills for legal research, document review, compliance, and decision-making. Empower your legal practice with AI-enabled solutions for better accuracy and efficiency. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@𝗕𝗃𝗀𝗃.com or visit our page on 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃.com. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.